Okay. So how to create a first WebDriver test script? So for that, so we have to follow some steps. Let me give you what are all things we need. First, so open your Eclipse. Okay. Create steps to create. Steps to write a first WebDriver program. Okay. First, create a Java project. In Eclipse IDE. Second step, so download WebDriver language bindings, WebDriver Java language bindings from Selenium.dev website. Selenium.dev/downloads. So go to this and download that. Unzip the zip file, unzip the Selenium-java.zip file in your local system directory. Fourth one, add the jars, add the Selenium WebDriver jars, Selenium Java jar files to the Java project. And next step is, I hope everybody is having a Chrome browser. We'll download the Chrome browser exe file. So let's download the Chrome browser exe file. So next step is, first find out the Chrome browser version. Find out the Chrome browser version. And sixth step, go to Selenium.dev download space. Download space. Under browsers section, click on Chrome. Okay. Choose your Chrome browser version and download chromedriver.exe file. Basically, chromedriver.zip file. Under zip file, you can find, once you unzip the zip file, then you will get chromedriver.exe. All these headaches are there, but I'll tell you a very simple way how we can handle all this. This is the first program I'm going to write using Java project with the main method. After that, I'm not going to use that anymore. I'll tell you very simple way. So I want to show you how complex it is. Then from complex to easy way, we're going to move. That is a Maven project. Okay. Then so set the Chrome driver.exe. Set the Chrome driver.exe path in your script. Right. Then so these are the steps. Launch your Chrome browser. So next, to open your application. So maybe I'll open https linkedin.com. Okay. linkedin.com. Then I'll write all these steps. I'm going to do that one by one. I'll show you. So why I'm to making all these steps is step by step. I'll show you. And fetch the page title and page absolute URL. Page source code. And page absolute URL, page source code, page title, then the page window ID. Page window ID. And then close the browser. Okay, so that's it. Simple. I'm not doing anything extra, but I'm calling all here the getter methods here. So I hope all are no getter methods, right? So these are the steps I'm going to perform now. Okay, these are the steps I'm going to perform. So let's go one by one. First, I hope you all open the Eclipse. I'm going for the Eclipse. So did you all make a note of this? So
yes, sir.
Let me save this. So in folder, I'll open this. Okay. I'll close this. Okay. Let me open this so that you can also see these steps. Now let's open all the Eclipse first. First step. Create a Java project in Eclipse ID. So I'll go to Eclipse. Let me. So I'll switch my workspace, or you can create no issues here. Anyway, I'm not going to use. So I'll create a how to create a Java project. So you all know, right, how to create a Java project. Go to File, New, Java project. So there is a Java, search for Java. Here is the search for Java. Select the Java project. Click on next. Or directly Java project you can create. So I'll just create a WebDriver programs. I'll just give WebDriver programs June 27th, right? 2022. Keep as it is all this and click on finish. Okay, just give the WebDriver programs June 27. That simple. One project we are creating. See, this is the project is created. So quickly, can you all create this project? Okay, quickly create this project. Then to go to second step. So first step is done. Project is created, and we need to download the Selenium Java language bindings. We need to download from this website. I'll go to that website. Let's go to website. So open the selenium.dev website, go to downloads. So I'll ping this URL to you, so you can also quickly create this. So that's a URL. And go to the, see, this is the one, Selenium clients and WebDriver language bindings. So here is the Java. So now 4.3.0 is the latest version. So we can click on this link, stable version. We just click on this. June 23rd only, or 4 days back only, they released 4.3.0. So you can download this. Click on this link. It will start downloading. You can see here. Can you see here? It's downloaded. You can find here. So once it is downloaded, I have to unzip this. Have to unzip this. So click on this arrow mark. So it's still downloading. Still downloading. Let it download. So I'll go to download space. I'll go to download space. I can find here. See, download is completed. So download is completed. You can go and see in the downloads. So this zip file, I'll cut it. I'll cut it, and I'll place in the D drive somewhere. I created a folder, WebDriver jars. You also create a folder, WebDriver jars, and there you place it. So here you have so many, right? I can place it here. See, my WebDriver jars also place it here, Selenium-Java 4.3.0. So it is pasting. Let it paste completely.
Ramesh, where did you paste it actually?
I downloaded a zip file. So this one I downloaded, right?
Yeah.
File. That one I pasted in one of the folder. I created properly. I'm organizing, so I don't need to set here and there, right? So I'm keeping. What is that? It's a WebDriver jars. So create a folder in the D drive.
Okay.
So D or C drive, wherever you want, you create a proper folder so that it is easy for you. Tomorrow you don't need to set. So that's what I'm doing here. So I am just placing that. After downloading, I'm putting inside this here. I'm placing in the D drive WebDriver jars folder I created. So all my WebDriver language bindings I can find here. My Java WebDriver bindings. So that I don't need to set, right? I can go and I can so properly come here directly. I can find out my WebDriver jars. Now where is my WebDrivers? I don't need to search. I know where are they. So now once you place it here, so you have to unzip this. How to unzip? Just select the file. Sorry, what happened? So just right click. You have extract all or 7-zip. If you have 7-zip, okay. If you don't have 7-zip, just click on extract all. Extract. So it will extract the zip file. Always remember, zip file must be unzipped. Then only use. Okay, it is saying already there. So just replace. Okay. See, Selenium 4. Selenium-Java 4. Normal folder will create for you. See, normal folder is created. So the zip file unzipped and another folder is created. So if you go into the folder inside, you can see a lot of jar files. Can you see here how many jar files are there? This one, and also in the lib folder also you have so many jar files. I'll keep all of them in one place, that is in the lib inside. So what I will do, I'll copy all this lib files. I'll select all of them. I'll cut this all executable jar files. I'll place them in the lib folder. That's it. So place all of them here. Everything will be in one place. So that while adding to the Java project, it will be easy. So these are the steps I completed till now. So downloaded the WebDriver jar file, zip file, unzip that selenium-zip file in the current directory, my own specific directory. And now I need to add this Selenium jar files to my Java project. So till third step, I have completed. Fourth step, I need to do that. Fourth step is I need to add this jar files. After unzip, I got all this, right? Under lib folder, I placed all of them. See, WebDriver jars, the zip file is there. And I unzipped, I got another folder. This folder inside. So lib outside, there are many jars. All that jar files, executable jar files, all that I took, I put it inside the lib folder. So that all the jar files in one folder, so that I can add this all the executable jar files to my Java project nicely one time. So this is the what you need to do. So and till this point,
Configuration.
see. So how to add a WebDriver jars to your project? Right click on the project, build path, configure build path. Right click on the project, select the build path, configure build path, then make sure you select the libraries, click on add external jars button.
Okay, sir.
Add external jars button. You click on this. Once you click, it will open a window. Now go to the location where you unzipped the folder, all the jar files you kept. So this is the folder, my folder, Selenium-Java-4.3.0. Don't use a zip file. Unzipped file only you have to use. See the file folder like this. Don't use this zip file. You have to use unzipped file folder. Selenium very clearly showing unzipped file folder you have to use. Go inside this folder, then go inside the lib folder, select all the libraries, click on open. So to select one, you select Control A, you do. Control A if you do, it will select all of them, then open it. So this is what you need to do. After adding, apply and close you do. That's it. So all the WebDriver language bindings are available here. Now in this Java project, now you can use a WebDriver code also, because you added the WebDriver language bindings. So this is how to add any jar file to your Java project. Our next step is we added all the jars to the Java project. First, find out the Chrome browser version. How can you find the Chrome browser version? Open your Chrome browser. Top right side, there is a 3 dots. Can you all see here? 3 dots of your Chrome browser. 3 dots in the top right side of the Chrome browser. See, click on this and help, and click on about Google Chrome option here. So what I did? 3 dots on the top right side. You click on the 3 dots, then select the help about Google Chrome. Click on about Google Chrome, and it will list out your Google Chrome version here. Version, my version, Google Chrome version is 102.0.5005. This is the my 102.0 is my Chrome version. Now I need to find out this version related exe file. This version related exe file I need to find out for my Chrome browser. So where can I find that? See, again, go to the selenium.dev downloads page under browser section. See, I'm in the downloads Selenium page. On the bottom side, you can find browsers section here. browsers, platform supported by Selenium section. Then below you can see plus browsers. So click on this plus icon. All browsers will list out here. Okay. What are the browsers Selenium support? It will list out here. So select the Chrome and click on this documentation. Otherwise, I'll give you direct. But first, you find out your Chrome browser version. So my Chrome browser version is 102. So here 104 is there, 103 is there, but my Chrome browser version is 102. So that is not here. So in this list, it is not there. What I need to do, I have to go to previous versions. I need to find out. See, you can view the current implementation status, but all versions available in these downloads. Go here and see this. If you find, you can click on that. See, my version is this is the one. See, my Chrome browser version is 102.205000561. This is the one, my version. So 102 is my version. 103, 104 also there. But which version you have, you take that. Okay, which version you have, you take that. So all versions you can find here. Let me ping you this URL. So your version you find out first. That's a very, very important. So this version you find out, and then you can check first your Chrome browser version you check. So like this you have to check. How you can go? Top right side, click on 3 dots, help, about Google Chrome. So that will show you your Chrome browser version. Then go to your selenium.dev. That already I pinged the URL. This URL you can open. This URL you can open, and you see your version same should match, and then click on this. Click on this. My version is 102, but check what is your browser version. That browser related version only you have to download. I am clicking 102. So then once you download, here you have to chromedriver.exe file you have to download. So this zip file I have downloaded, and it is downloading. It is downloading. So see, it's done. Download is done. I can go to there. My download phase. This Chrome driver Win32 is available, and I can cut this in the same WebDriver jars. I created one more folder. So WebDriver jars folder inside I created one more executables. So Chrome 102. I have a Chrome 102. I have to give that folder. I'll create Chrome 102. I'm creating a new folder. In that folder, I'm placing this zip file. So WebDriver jars under I created executables, then Chrome 102, and then I got a zip file. Now I need to unzip this. Every time you remember zip file, you have to unzip. So I'm extracting that. That's the extraction over. See, inside this, I can get my exe file. This is the application. This is the exe file. So this is how I got it. Okay. So
hi Ramesh.